What's going on, kids? Nick. So all these crusty Harleys here, these were all Mike Wolf's from American Pickers. Because he sold his collection on Bring a Trailer, but Bring a Trailer won't take crusty bikes. So he brought them all here to Mecum, and every one of them sold last night. He was here, and they all sold. I think every one of them sold for a pretty good amount of money, more than you would think. And there's some neat stuff. Like this is pretty neat. I mean, it needs a full restoration, but it's pretty neat. Even the real crusty ones like that sold for good money. So they were all
4.5, 5, sorry. 4.5, 5. What
this is the all Mike Wolf collection. I think all this too. Maybe I'm wrong, because these haven't been sold yet. And he was here last night. I think all his stuff was here. But yeah, it all sold.
On apparel rack, 500 down under that 1, 2. Hit 2.
Talked to him for a while, nice guy. I'll tell you a couple things that haven't come up yet that I wouldn't mind bidding on. Rotex motor Harley with the Rotex 500. It's a good motor. Little Ducati single, pretty bike. I really like this. I've seen the same bike out in Imola, Italy. Pretty cool bikes, man. What do you do with it? Just a piece of art, really. Nice little Yamaha right here. Really nice movie. It's sold.
All right, how much here? On the screen, 1, 2, 3, 4.
This didn't sell. Either it didn't hit reserve. Oh no, no reserve, so it hasn't went up yet. I wouldn't mind having that Rotex Harley motor. Rotex is a great motor, it's all belt drive, quiet. Something I wouldn't mind owning. That MZ has the same motor.
22.
82. That's a Rotex motor. I've never seen one with the Rotex motor. I think someone made it. It's titled Harley Davidson. I didn't know they made a Harley Davidson Rotex. Unless they didn't. Someone made this. So, alright, see you guys. Have a good one.